Hi folks, today is February 13th. It's currently 8:56 in the morning. I had somebody email me yesterday or the day before, and they asked me to include commissions into my statements that I plan on doing on Fridays. I looked into that, and unfortunately I can't go back and add it, but I did find, let me see here, I think it was under tools, options, commissions. And as you can see right here for my simulated account, I added a $5 commission to that. So I'm assuming it's $5 to buy and $5 to sell, so a total of $10. That's what I'm guessing this is set up as. So we're going to see today how this works out. And so hopefully this will be applied to all of my trades in the future. And we'll just see how it goes from there. Alright, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I'll be back with you guys on our first print. Alright folks, we got a first print right here. As you guys can see, it's right on the other side of this selling node. So we'll see what happens here. I have no problems whatsoever with the market pushing down here, because I don't want to get ticked in by one point, and then the market, not 1 point, but one tick, and then the market decide to turn around. So I'm still going to take every print like I said I would, but I still hope the market doesn't come up to fill us. I'll put it like that. Alright, 50 ticks remaining. $30.
Order canceled.
Alright, so the market didn't come up to fill us here. We'll wait for the next print, and I'll be back then. Alright guys, we have another print here. As you guys can see, this one is a scalp, aggressive scalp.
Order canceled.
And I'm perfectly fine, like I said, with the market continuing to push down. Hopefully it will continue to push down so that we'll be able to take a long before this level. So we'll be able to get, at least 1 or 2 profit targets hit before it gets back up here. Anyway, I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back in the next print. Alright guys, we have our first print that actually got filled right here. And we have a pretty strong level on the 2-minute chart. As you guys can see.
Target filled. Target filled.
We'll see if the market reacts to this buy zone. Hopefully it will. See, the market came down into it, and they continued pushing up. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that buzzing sound, but hopefully it's just on my end. For some reason my recording software, or either my speakers, is making it. I'm not sure what's going on with that. But yeah, I'm going to put my stop right underneath this buying zone here. Since I'm already in profit on that trade, I'm going to just let this one run. And we'll just see what happens. Hold on 1 second, folks. Okay. I just paused my recording software and then restarted it here, so hopefully that sound should be gone. As you guys can see here, we have a buying low volume node. At some point I do expect a reversal and then a continuation. When I was talking to the vendor, one of the things he told me, like I said in yesterday's video, is to try and hold the trades longer. And he said not to move my stop up to break even +1 until I get a higher high. And at this point I have not gotten that yet, so I'm obviously not following his directions verbatim, but we're gonna see what happens here. I think I have enough support right here and then right here that when it does eventually come back, I'll be able to stay in the trade to catch hopefully a nice move. As you guys can see, the market has been going up. Then it went sideways, and then it continued to push up a little bit. So we're just going to continue to be patient here. And this is just me trying to manage things a little looser. Alright, I can turn on the trailing stops here. We'll see what that does. Alright, so if I turn on my trailing stops, my stop should be right here right now. So we'll just continue to follow it up. In my mind, I'm thinking that this right here would be a better level, because I'm pretty sure when we do get a pullback, it's going to go further than this right here. So this right here would be the ideal level to have my stop. But like I said, I'm still learning here, so I'm just going to play with it and see what we get. I've never used the trailing stops before, and that's basically just these little red dashes here. And there should be one. There it is, right there. Yep. Alright, so the market was up here, got a little bit of a retracement. We'll see what it does next. Man, it looks like we're about to be taken out here.
Stop filled.
Alright, so the stop was filled on that. Made $420, so not bad at all. We have another opportunity for a scalp long coming up, is saying. So we'll just be patient and see what it gives us here. But it would seem being patient or leaving that last one as a runner does work when the market is going to go in your direction. And obviously it's a good idea not to be too not to trail it as close, because you guys can see right here we had a pretty big spike back here. And if I was following it closely, this would have taken me out and I would have missed a bit more of the move. But in the back of my head, I'm pretty sure the vendor would have most likely placed his stop, I'd say down here somewhere. That's just what I'm thinking based on some of the videos that I've seen of him trading. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. We have about 6 more minutes until 10 o'clock. And actually I have to head out this morning. I have a few meetings and things to get done, so I'm not even going to be able to trade later on this afternoon. But I will still, like I said, go ahead and show you guys the trading for the week. And we have a 6 here. See what we can get.
Order pending.
Alright, we'll see if we get filled here. Alright, I'll be back with you guys momentarily. Alright, looks like the market is spiking down now. And we will shut this down.
Order filled.
Ah, shoot. I actually was planning on shutting that down, but I wasn't quick enough. That's a bit annoying. I tell you what, folks. It's Friday. We're just gonna do this here. Shoot. That's one of those situations where I learned something. I'll just go ahead and shut it down much quicker next time. Thought I would have had a chance or more time to get it done, but just didn't. Either way, I do have to leave here shortly, so either the market will give us something good here, or it's gonna come down and hit our stop. That is just a bit annoying. Look at that. Here's our entry. This bar didn't come up to hit us in, but it did happen on that next one. I should not have been in this trade. It's just a little bit annoying is all. Hopefully we'll get a push up here. That'll be able to hit this little profit target. Tell you what, that is just super frustrating.
Stop filled.
We should have been able to easily end this day on a positive note. But things happen. And like I said, I wasn't able to close it in time before this next bar shot me into the trade. So that messed us up there. Let's see if the market decides to react to this level here. Got a buying zone and an active buying low volume node. Alright, let me pause it for these last few minutes and see if we get another print. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, I was hoping to get one more trade so we could put us back into profit for the day. Looks like we had one good trade and then ended up getting stuck into this trade on accident here. So that tells me once I see this get down to 20, if I'm not already entered, I'll go ahead and just look at shutting it down, because should not have been in that trade. But I also want to go ahead and show you guys this here. And we'll do it from 2.9 to 2.13. Alright, so we're currently at 1,420. And like I said, it would be higher than that if we wouldn't have got stuck in that trade there. But it is what it is. We can't complain at this point. Total net profit now on my long trades is minus 10. I'm just a bit disappointed at that, because that $400 and something should be up there now. That would have put me at about, I think 1,800. I can't remember what it was yesterday when I checked. I don't know. Anyway, I'm pretty bummed out that this last trade happened here, but anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the video there. And let's see if my commissions got factored in. Nope. I'm not sure exactly how to add that, because I did come in here, added commissions. Where's it at? Here it is. Simulator. Minimum commission. I added it in there, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. I'll have to contact NinjaTrader and see if we can figure that out. See what's going on with it. Hopefully I'll have it fixed by next time. Alright, that's going to be it, folks. Didn't end the week the way I wanted to, but we still ended the week in profit. So yeah, that's going to be it. I'll see you guys next week. Take care.